Hi, this is a complete restaurant management tool. If you open this tool, it will ask you to choose the user and with their password, and then you can just log in into this tool, and then you can sell as many items as you want with a nice user interface. So let me show you the interface. You can click on this interface, you can choose item, you can choose this particular subcategory, you can choose what kind of item this is, you can choose you can specify this status, border, print invoice. You can click on this print invoice and it will print two different invoice. So if you see the invoice, you can see the first invoice has this particular nice UI where you can have the ticket number. You can specify this like group sandwich. This is all the extra details, and this is for the customer, and this ticket number is important, and this second one is for the safe where you can see what kind of food he needs to prepare, and this is just for adding the sales amount. And then we have a dashboard, we have report section where we can see per item basis and so on, and it also help you to manage the inventory. So you can add new inventory, you can delete any amount from the inventory, and we have this user details. So when that particular user is logged in and logged out, and what's the duration. So if I close this, then it will update my logout time. So we close it. And this is a complete restaurant management tool. Thank you.